Hello friends, today we are going to start the chapter 4 for the fraction. So we will going to learn about the fraction. The question is, what is fraction? So fraction is an equal part of a whole. When you cut it, a cake or a pizza or an apple into some equal parts, it's called a fraction. Got it? So when we are cutted something in equal parts, we will use as a fraction. So in a fraction, we use two numbers. The two numbers are, one is on the top, that one is called, one is in the top is called the top number and second is called bottom, that is the bottom number. So this is the top number, this is called numerator, and this is called bottom of the number, that is called denominator. So these are two are the very important point. So 3 is the denominator, 3 is the numerator, and 4 is the denominator. So we have to remember what is. So how many pieces of cake you ate? That is denoted as a numerator. And total how many parts you cutted the cake? That is denoted as a denominator. Okay? Denominators. So these two are very important part of the fraction. So now we will move to the next slide. So now a quick question. Can a chocolate bar is divided into 8 pieces. Ria ate 3 pieces. What fraction of the chocolate did Ria eat? Have you any guess? Can you anyone suggest with what chocolate, how many chocolate did Ria eat? Yeah, good job. So Ria ate 3 pieces, right? And how many cake pieces are? 8. So that 8 is in the bottom. So 3 by 8, Ria ate a pizza. So 3 by 8, Ria eat chocolate 3 by 8. A pizza cut into a 6 pieces, 6 slices. A pizza cut a pizza is cut into 6 equal slices. 5 slices are left. How many slices are left? 5 slices are left. And what fraction is what fraction of the pizza is left? Obviously, how many pieces of pizza is left? 5. And how many pieces they cut it? 6. So it will become 6. 5 by 6 fraction. Okay. Now, if we ask, write the number of numerator, write the numerator and denominator of this fraction. So friends, can you tell me which is which is numerator, which is denominator? Okay. 4 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator. Here 2 is the numerator and 17 is the denominator. Very good job. Now, can you tell me, now we will going to learn deeper about the fraction. They have a fraction. We have a fraction of 4 types. What are how many types of fractions? 4 types. One is the unit rod, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So friends, you have to remember these 4 important part of the fractions. They are the types of fraction. So let's come and discuss what exactly the types of fraction means. Unit fraction, when the numerator is 1, it is compulsory that 1 by 3. It's simply known as a unit fraction. Whenever you can see 1 by 3, 2 by 3, that is called numerator. Okay. Then proper fraction. Proper fraction is like we having all the things in proper way. Like what? What is means of proper? Like what when we are arranging a Proper fraction, like when we are arranging something in a smaller to bigger, right? So that is the proper way. When you are using anything smaller, you can first keep, then second keep. So proper fraction means when the numerator is smaller, like 2 by 3. Here the numerator is smaller than denominator, right? So this is called proper fraction. What we call proper fraction. And improper fraction is what? When the denominator is bigger than the numerator. Like 3 is bigger than 2. So denominator is bigger than numerator. This is called improper fraction. Okay. Now mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a number of whole and a fraction together. A number of whole means, suppose you have been going to have a chapati or a bread, and you told I ate 2 chapati and I want half of another bread. There's one more bread is there and you want half of that. Okay, so what you say? I already had 2, just give me half of it. That half of it. So this is called 1 by 2. You already had 2 breads, but you need only half bread now. That I am not too much hungry now. I just give me half of it. So how much you ate bread? 2 and half. 2 and half. This is called a mixed fraction. What we call? Mixed fraction. Good. Now we will going to find out which is unit fraction, which is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Let's find out. Are you remembering what is 1 by 2 called? You remember the numerator is, if the numerator is 1, then it's called unit fraction. Good job. Now 8 by 4, is it a proper fraction? No, very good. It is improper fraction. Which is that? Improper fraction. Okay. And now 8 3 by 5. You remember? You had the 8 bread and you want 3/5 of the next bread. So it's become mixed fraction. Good job. Now this one 6 by 20. It is proper, right? The smaller is in the top and the bigger number in the bottom. So it's become proper fraction. Very good, kid. Now, what is this one? Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now, this is a technique which we have to learn, okay? Here, to convert the mixed fraction into a normal fraction, what we have to do? There is a steps. First step is you have to multiply these two numbers, these and this. You have to multiply this and add this. Okay? How we do? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 by 4. So what will come? It will come 11 by 4. So this is called improper fraction. Why it's called improper fraction? Can you see? The bigger number is on the top and the smaller number is in the bottom. So it become improper. Now, can you help me to finish this? How we do mixed proper? How we have to convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction? We have to multiply this and we have to add this. So let's add. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Good job. 5 3s are 15 plus 1. Okay, and this is 5. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 5. This is improper fraction. Good job, kids. Now we will going to learn like and unlike fraction. Liked and unliked fraction is what? What is the meaning and why we are using liked and unliked fraction? Liked and unliked fraction is the fraction when like and unlike fraction is a normal fraction where we have the smaller where the denominator will has to be same, so it will be like fraction, like it's like a same family members. Oh, you also have a same papa name, you, my papa is also same, my papa, means all these are brothers and sister and they are living in a same family, so they are like fraction. What is unlike fraction? Like your father name is different, my father name is different, and his father name is different. Means we are not in a same family. We are staying in a different family. So we are unlike fraction. What we are? Unlike fraction. Okay? Now we will quickly solve these questions. Okay? From the below list of the circle. Now let's solve the questions. From the list of the below, circle or write the like fraction. Okay, we have to find which is the like fraction. Okay, 8 is there. Here is also 8. Here is also 8. Okay, these three are like fraction. They are in the same family members. Okay, now I'm changing the color. These and these are the same family members. Like this, I'm circling it out so it will be easy to find out. These are same family members, these are same, so they are liked or unlike. Now tick the fraction and cross the unlike. Okay, now help me friends. Okay, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, this is like fraction or unlike fraction? Like fraction, so we have to tick it. 2 by 4, 4 by 14. Is it like fraction or unlike fraction? Unlike fraction. What we have to do? Cross. Good job. 5 by 8, 2 by 8. Is it a like fraction or unlike fraction? Like fraction. Good job. Now, thanks for watching fraction. Now, I am Thank you friends for watching this fraction. We will going to soon upload a next video. If you want, I am giving a question paper for the fraction in the description. Just go download and finish it. If you have any doubt, just comment in the description. Bye bye friends. I am attaching a question worksheet. Just go and download and use it. Okay, bye bye.